Greetings, class. Are you ready to tackle your project solution proposal project for English 102? Over the course of these next 7 weeks, this assignment will help you sharpen your research skills, your critical thinking skills, and most importantly, your writing skills if you do your own composing. All while giving you the chance to make a real difference in your local community. So here's the big picture, what your project is. You'll choose a local issue that matters to you, propose a feasible, practical solution, and support it with credible research, including primary research. Your final project will be a 1,300-word letter or memo directed to a real decision maker in your community. It might be a city official, a school principal, a community leader, someone who has the power to act on your solution. And alongside that, you'll create a separate advocacy ad or video PSA, public service announcement, to expand your proposal's impact. So it's underway. This Sunday night, your topic proposal is due. Don't forget, how you start is how you finish. Be confident. You're not doing this alone. Together, action. Okay? So here are the requirements. 3 key things you need to do, or 4, excuse me. Pick a specific manageable problem or issue in your community. So think small and local. Like improving bike lanes or adding shade structures at a park. Avoid the broad issues like climate change or childhood obesity or homelessness. These intractable issues that cannot be solved at all, it seems, let alone in a 7-week course. Use at least 6 credible sources, cited sources, plus 1 primary source, as I said, an interview or a survey. Follow APA style for in-text citations, and create an original multimodal component, a poster, an infographic, a short video PSA to reach a wider audience than your designated stakeholders. So the structure of your proposal has the 3 components. An introduction, which explains the problem with a clear why that problem matters to you and why it should matter to others, with a clear thesis that has 2 to 3 supporting reasons. And then the body of your paper should contain 2 alternative solutions, that in your view don't quite measure up, and their drawbacks, again, according to you, supported by evidence from research, and then your best solution, okay? So you argue for your own solution to the problem, supported with 2 to 3 reasons that reflect back to that clear thesis statement, and of course, ample evidence throughout. And then counter arguments opposed to your best solution that you must rebut, supported with research. And then finally, a convincing call to action, a strong, specific action that your decision maker can take. Okay, so you are encouraged, and in fact, for this weekend's topic proposal, you are required to use AI, but you must use it ethically as well as wisely. So AI can be a great collaborator, but it cannot be your composer. You are the composer, okay? AI is there to help you brainstorm topics, generate some counter arguments. It's excellent at generating counter arguments that you might not have thought of, or even to come up with slogans for your advocacy ad. But remember, AI, of course, makes mistakes. So as a collaborator, you are the one in charge. Always double check AI's suggestions against credible sources from the ASU library and database. And cite properly. Next steps, starting this Sunday, your topic proposal is due. List the communities that you're a part of: school, workplace, neighborhood, volunteer groups. Brainstorm the real problems that those communities face. Narrow your focus to one issue in one community, one local community, and then commence researching. You're required to use an AI component in your topic proposal, and we just want to know how AI's research differed from ASU library databases. So make some notes about how the results differed. And don't forget your next steps. How will you research through this problem? How will you research this problem in more depth? Right. So that's just your best guess at this point. So yes, this is going to be a big project. It takes all of our course, but you're not doing it alone. You'll get feedback from me, from your writing mentor, as well as, and most importantly, from your peers. Real problem solving takes effort, but it's worth it. As one student said in a course evaluation, to the question, what did you like least about English 102? I wasn't made a better writer through a wave of a wand. It came from hard work and a lot of it. Okay, so now is your time to delve into your topic. That's our AI word of the week. Delve, from the Old English word for dig. Make painstaking inquiries into a subject. That's your task. These are the roles that AI can help you with: collaborate, role play and brainstorm, help with your advocacy ad, help you generate some ideas and find counter arguments and maybe alternative solutions, and even help you with your mechanics, your writing mechanics, your syntax, whatever it might be. But again, AI is not the composer. You are. So the era of AI collaboration has only begun. Don't forget, if you'd like some free access to the New York Times through ASU, please click on this link. Here are your upcoming deadlines. I really enjoyed reading your first reflections. I'm excited about this course for the fall A term. And I'd like you to continue to show yourself here at the jump of this course. So please reply, what's one uninteresting thing about you? And that's all I've got to say. So good luck. Ciao.